That's fast enough.
Whoa!
Does that count? There's my front flip.
All right, guys, we are very excited to have received this package from Amazon.
What's in it?
Let's find out.
Perfectly executed.
It looks like a wakeboard.
Oh, it smells weird. Oh, that smells.
Wow, though. Wow. What's a dirt board? Look at Luke's face. MBS mountain boards. www.mbs.com. Ride safe, be smart, and always ride with protective gear, including helmet, pads. Riding this product is inherently risky, so riders should read and adhere to the safety guidelines in the enclosed manuals. Oh, is that a brake? Please tell me it's a brake. I feel like we gotta take this out of the Braille house somehow. What do you do on a dirt board, Luke?
You go down dirt hills.
Look at this truck. Just look at that thing. Oh, we're definitely gonna 50-50 this. This is like really intense. This is the manual and a skate tool. Go ahead and read that. What the heck? This is not a sponsored video for mountain boards, but we're definitely gonna have to pull some of that footage. The guy straight up did a backflip. Oh yeah, do you see? Oh my god. If you can do that in the Braille house, I will give you your own mountain board. So this is on Amazon for $199.95. So you guys know which one we got, or if you want to just get one yourself, the link is in the description below. I do want to make it clear that this is not a sponsored video. People are like, oh, the sponsored videos. It's not. We just like to do stuff off of Amazon because it's fun. How mph does this go? Answer, speed of gravity. What is the speed of gravity? How fast does it go? Answer, pretty fast. Not death wobble fast, but a good enough speed to where if you fell, you would
Die.
Wait for it. Get hurt. Air up the tires to 40 PSI to go faster. Oh, this is for left foot forward. How do you flip it around? Okay, push me as fast as you can go.
Wait, it's on the right!
Pretty legit. Okay, we gotta do a backflip on this at least. Okay, Fetty, push me up the ramp. Over there I was. When he was pushing me, I was holding the brake. Kickflip off?
That's right. It's hard to put.
You gotta take it down to 5.
Not worth it. This thing does not roll at all. I don't like it.
Ready, Fetty? Oh, yeah. Tell my wife I love her. I don't know what they said about doesn't speed wobble. That was speed wobbles. Straight up.
Fast speed wobble.
Stayed on. You know what I was the most scared of? This. Yeah. Just oh my god. It was like this. Yeah, I wrote it out though. Who's next? Who's next?
That was amazing.
That was the longest we've ever pulled the bungee cord ever. Thank you. Yeah, some of my finer work. Let's get some of these questions. Is it gas powered? And nobody answered that question. The answer though is no. How does it go fast if it's not electric? Ride it on hills. It's a mountain board, they said. The person that answered that was really angry. They were like, please, mountains. I was wondering if I could ride this on the street sidewalk. I saw a question about switching the wheels out for street riding, but I don't know. Hey, Brandon, yes you can. We sell a roadie tire. We probably should have got the roadie tire. Mountain board down what's that famous street? Lombard?
Lombard, yeah.
Dude, we gotta do that. Look, let's do this. Luke is up there saying, the more speed, the better, so please just push me as fast as you can. I can adjust it with the brake. So just give him everything you got, Troy. You know Luke, he's got this. Happy birthday, buddy. Oh, wow. Huge air, just huge. Would this board be too big for a 10-year-old 75 pounds? Answer, no. Almost every question, they've answered it like 300 times, is it electric? No. Great fun, need a good slope on grass, but the tires do not hold up well on concrete or road surfaces. Well, so far they're holding up for us. Disappointed, too small. Do not buy if you're an adult. We're all adults and this thing is huge. All right, Luke, let's go. I expect you at the very least, to do a front flip.
All right, easy. I'll try one more. Try to get some good air.
Great for beginners. Luke, if you could please not die, that'd be great. 3 stars. Does not work well if you ride it in grass. This is great for beginners, so if you could just give us a little speed and commitment, please. Thank you. I did the bungee as far as it would go outside.
But you're also a pro snowboarder.
Truth. So therefore, I should mountain board on a bungee. Great, but you need one hell of a hill to have any real fun. It's kind of true. Like, it doesn't go like super fast. What I want to show, actually, I don't know if we can, but I want to show the video that they made. The person that made this board, I want to show some footage that they made. We're gonna make you take it off the Braille drop.
That was good! Oh!
Wow.
One more.
What's more of that?
Oh! Dude, I saw the brake go.
Maybe if we were left foot forward, then we could actually fit into these, because we're like riding it the opposite way.
Do you hear that sound it makes?
Yeah.
Oh. Yes!
That was legit.
Yeah, he got like that high.
That was like good Hawaiian.
That was a good Hawaiian?
Yeah, it's going so fast. It was like 50 miles an hour. Hit the bump, flew up into the air, like 30 feet.
Best gift ever. It was stolen the first day we had it, so it must have been cool.
It's too easy.
It ain't no thing.
It's too easy.
Too easy.
I use mine solely for beach land kiting, and it has held up very well in the worst possible environment of salt and sand. That's what we need to do. We need to beach land kite. We need a giant kite and a beach and that. He's getting like really into and good at this. Very good. So far, I enjoy it. It works fairly well with 3 dogs. Everything is in all caps. This is fun! Bought it for a 6-year-old and he'll get years out of it.
Whoa. Yeah, this time it was the wheel hitting right here. Go that way, please. No, I just like making you feel on the edge. Ow!
Oh! I know you can land that. I believe in you, Lucas.
Turn the head, shoulders follow the head.
Yes! Yes!
Nice.
Oh yeah, dude.
Lift up! Lift up in the front!
You stop pushing me.
No! Right at the end, I'll give you a big push. Lift up.
I thought you were letting go.
No! He's all faster, 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 faster.
I just see these tires like bump the edge. That's so deadly.
You're not gonna be able to turn. That was good though, right?
Yeah.
Who said that he would make it? Who said he would push him? Put your trust in Aaron. It's like, yeah, put your trust in Aaron. He made it. Cleared it good. Notice how nobody except for Luke will do it. Luke, after you do the 5, will you board slide the rail?
Well, if you want me to do this and clip my thing and fall over.
No, we don't want you to do that. He'll make it. Right, Gabe?
No.
Yeah, he's got this.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh! Oh my god!
I was going for air, and I was for the kill.
Yes! Nailed it.
Oh yeah, you got that, Troy.
That's fast enough.
Whoa!
Does that count? There's my front flip. My feet are still in there.
Why are you laughing so hard?
He said, that's fast enough. No. Luke every time is like, faster. And Troy was like, that's fast enough now.
Literally, how is he doing that?
He's a wild Hawaiian. He thought he was like whipping the wave as he was going through it. Whoop!
I felt like when I landed, my body was going faster than the board was, because the board was kind of braking and my body's like, whoa, pulling up the nose.
Got like hecka air.
Oh! Yep.
Alright guys, well that was pretty fun. We hope you enjoyed this video and we hope you got some laughs out of it. Click right here and go to the playlist of all of the other things that we have done. We've pulled a lot of things off of Amazon, so go ahead and check out those videos. We know that you'll enjoy them. If you want to check this out, the link is in the description below, so feel free to go ahead and check that out. Please subscribe, please like, leave a comment below, and let us know if you guys find some weird, crazy, wild, interesting thing on really any website. Obviously, we're just using Amazon because it's easy, but any website doesn't matter. Leave it in the comments below. We want to know where you want us to flow. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get Skateboarding Made Simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.